So we are doing off the border pineapple papers. So taking inspiration from Pinterest. Now my inspiration from Pinterest today, I will put it up on screen because I've not printed it, but it is doing watercolour doodles, and I've not done all of 30-day sketches from June, so I'm going to use day 22 sketch. I've just bits of scraps that I've just put together, a photo of me up on some 3D foam pads, and I've just thrown these scrap pieces together similar to on the sketch, just as a starting point. And I forgot my pens, so let me just go grab them. Okay, so the other day I went into B&M Bargains to buy these paints. I think they do a couple of other colours as well. These are all the ones I could find at the time. And whilst I was in there getting them, they had a lot of aqua markers, and they're only $2.50 a pack, and they had some ones that were just like normal aqua markers, but they had these metallic ones, so one end's metallic and one end's brush. Now from having a play, the metallic end's not very good, but I really like the brush end, and I'm going to use the yellows and the oranges. The idea is I'm going to do some circles, so this is going to go about here with the photo of Use Where To Next. So these are scraps from what I've already been playing with Where To Next, and yeah, this is also Where To Next, a frame. So I thought with the doodling, I'm going to come around the photo. Now this does look like it's matted, so I'm not sure if I fill the whole piece sort of like with a border around it, maybe. Like if I'm doing a border around it, I'm going to need some masking tape. I am using some mixed media cardstock. This is heavyweight cardstock from, I think this one's Hey Little Magpie. This might end up being a wider border than I want it to be, but it's either that or get a thinner washi tape out. I don't really have much to do the mark making over the circles. I have got these micron pens, so I can at least do some black mark making. We shall see how that goes. I've also got stays on ink, so I can also always do some stamping. Now I'm thinking I don't do pen directly on, so these are supposed to be kept this way up. So my other paint pot, my other water pot's empty, so it's supposed to be metallic end down. I might use some greens because I've got some green papers in there as well. Yeah, they have some other aqua markers as well, that are really quite reasonably priced. I think they are Dutch company. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm really not sure. I don't know how it's going to work out. I'm going to put the colour on here. I'm going to draw a circle. Oh, I've got, well, that's a great start, isn't it? I've got blue pen on me. I might actually, with me going straight in with water, I might do it straight from the pen and see how that looks. Oh, that's the metallic end, wrong end. Yeah, because there's water already on the page. I didn't know if that'd look alright, but I don't think it does it? So we have to around. Yeah, I've got a possibility that this is going to be a bit pants. See, none of this is low enough. So this blue needs to come further down here. Take these off, see how far under it we went. It's not too bad. That's going to go there. I think I am actually going to finish off the top of that. Probably completely ruined that now. So what I'm probably going to is just use these and be brave and do some mark making. Oh, wait a minute. Go upside down because that's still wet. I'm put you on fast forward whilst I do this. That I hate. I think it looks an absolute mess. I'm really not happy with it. Definitely something I need to look at more on Pinterest that I like and keep practicing. But with that over it, I like it. So yeah, I actually like it with this over it. I'm just going to make sure this is straight because I know the bit I've lined up. So I like it like that. So that's okay now. I don't mind it. We are going to have a look at some pieces to embellish. This is the papier set. We didn't go by plain. That'll do. That'll do. So, Pinterest off the board with pineapple papers. Journal's just going to be about how I got my hair cut that morning and then packed the car and off we went to Scotland for the week. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.